Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new machine, and this one is the WeCreat Vision 20-watt all-in-one diode laser engraver. And this one laser cuts and engraves many different kind of materials, and you can create amazing things. I'm going to show you how it works and also some samples that I made with it. If you are looking for something to start a business, think about this machine. It's amazing.
The machine weighs over 40 pounds and you will need help to get it out of the box and put it on a table. It comes with a laser bed that looks like a grill and 2 pieces of basswood. You will have to remove the tapes on the sides, and then inside there are the parts and accessories. Remove the boxes and also all the packaging items that are inside. As you can see, you have to be careful when you take everything. And here you have to move the bar a little bit so you can take the rest of the packaging. And don't forget to peel this protection right here. Now you need to unscrew the nuts of the exhausting port to attach this piece to hold the exhaust hose and secure them with a tool that comes in a baggie. When I'm done, I'm going to connect the power supply and also the USB cable, and this one connects to your laptop or computer. Then I'm going to attach this Wi-Fi antenna. Now I'm going to attach the exhaust hose, and I'm going to use this clamp to secure it. And here I have the air assist, and we are going to connect to the machine. Now get the air assist tube and connect one side on the machine, and the other side you will see the blue ring goes to the air assist. When you're done with the connection, place the air assist on the table. It has an auto lifting enclosure, and the thickness of your material can be up to 140 millimeters. You have to place the laser beds into the compartment and make sure that the screws on the beds are facing up. I also got the rotary set, and I'm going to attach it to the machine in another video.
And you will also receive these 2 samples. See, this is the testing on how you can engrave, and they are going to just make lines like this. See? And if you want to feel engraved, it's going to look like this.
To start making your first project, you will have to download the WeCreat Make It app. And this app works with Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. Here you can choose from thousands ready to make projects from the library. You can import your designs or create your own. With the WeCreat Vision, you have 3 options. You can engrave, fill engrave, or cut.
In the package, I received 2 of these basswood, and I made this sign. Look, it's so cute. This is a fill engrave. I just upload the SVG file, and then I work on fill engrave. And look, see? It feels like dimensional. Very nice. I love it.
When the image is on the canvas, you can see through the camera and position it. And I'm going to fill engrave, and here is this helpful chart. You can see the finish of your project, and you can click on any square and it will automatically set up the speed and power. Then I press the power button, and it starts the job. And a few minutes later, this is the amazing result.
And I used just one side of the basswood sheet, and I had this part left. I cut 6 coasters. See? And I love this design, the hexagon, so it's very nice. And I'm gonna show you the picture right here. See? And I also made these earrings. Look how wonderful. The cut is clean, and look, and it's very thin. You can make different designs and sell them. This machine is amazing. You can have a business of jewelry, home decoration, many things that you can do. And the last piece that I cut are these charms. Look how cute. See? And best of all, it's that this machine is so powerful that this one cuts in 1 minute. These two pieces, it cuts in 1 minute. The earrings, both of them, it cut in 1 minute. To cut all of these, it was like about 10 minutes.
With the help of the camera, I placed all of the designs inside the board, and I am happy that I could get the most of the material. At the bottom of the machine, you will find a detachable tray that you can remove and easily clean it.
And this one is a bamboo cutting board that I bought, and I wanted to try in a different kind of wood. I tried the fill engraving because the words, they have a little bit of thickness right here, see? So when it did the fill engraving, it looked amazing. Look, see all this one, very, very nice.
And with this machine, you can cut or engrave a lot of different materials.
These were my first attempt with this machine, and I love it. I'm going to leave the link of the website in the description box.
And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.
If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much for watching, for your likes, your comments. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.